So we just got to Fort Wilderness, and the first thing we're doing is playing checkers and watching Nikki try to get Coachella tickets on a laptop, a phone, and another phone. So welcome,
2 tabs open on each.
Welcome to Disney World, Nikki. This is what we do. We're back, and our first park is Epcot. Hooray! Huzzah! Rob?
It's been ages.
It has not been ages. You were probably here like, what, a week ago?
We have a podcast to record.
We do have a podcast to record.
We're not good at that.
No, we're not. We're not.
We're here.
We're here.
We're in the late 45
Spaceship
minutes
Earth
for
is...
Spaceship Earth.
No, we're not. We have a fast pass.
We're only going to do Spaceship Earth.
Just over and over and over again.
Correct.
And then we're going to be like, Nikki, that's it. That's all there is to Epcot. It's just that.
And then we're going to Germany for dinner.
Yeah.
I'm going to hurt myself. I'm going to eat so much.
That's a good plan.
Yeah.
Today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on.
How was Orange for you after such a long time?
Rad.
Rad?
Radical.
Radical. That just made me think of Ninja Turtles, you know, the movie with little baby Michelangelo going, radical, radical, radical.
Radical, it was tubular, it was off the hook. I loved it. 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, go see it in theaters.
Okay.
It's a wild ride.
Literally.
You're gonna love it. Don't overshoot the runway. I guess sometimes you just gotta.
Yeah. We're hitting a storm, folks. An unexpected storm. And I am wearing a skirt, dress. We're heading to Spaceship Earth. We all have fast passes. It's a miracle. It's a fast pass miracle.
Story time. I bought new shoes this week and was like, oh, I have a couple of days to break them in before the trip, and then proceeded to wear flip-flops that entire week. So now I'm breaking them in, and I was like, oh, this won't be too bad. But I'm starting to feel it already.
Nice.
This is the third ride.
What?
Third ride.
Oh, yeah.
And he's just feeling his shoes. Third ride, first day.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're in trouble. Just chilling on your own? Yeah, you screwed it. We're heading to the land. We're gonna go live with it. We're gonna go learn how to live with the land and get out of this rain, which I don't want to live with.
Which is a shame, because the first scene is a rainforest.
Oh, it is?
So we're trying to go back into the rain.
That's okay, because it's not literally raining.
Ooh, hopefully they'll still have the holiday overlay for Living with the Land.
Ooh, I have not seen that. I like how you have to go down because I am so short.
And everybody asks me if I'm like 7 feet tall, and it's like, nope, Christine's just short.
You're sort of tall. Like, it's not
normal.
like you.
Normal? 5'10"?
You just called me not
really that tall?
normal. You just called me not normal.
You're extra normal. Super normal. Above normal. Literally below normal, but you know, in our hearts.
I think you might want to just stop now. ride twice. Which you can, because we're going to a buffet. So therefore, you can ride that ride as many times as you like until you throw up. Right? That's how it works.
That's my plan.
I see you back there. I see you back there. Hey Rob, how are you doing over there?
I'm doing my duty.
Your duty.
Yeah. Keep the table open.
And your duty is to eat that full plate of food.
This is it now. 2, done.
Done. No dessert?
No, then dessert. Come on.